Alright, so you hear this? Her fridge is making a weird noise. And she said sometimes it cuts off on her, but it's getting ice. We're gonna make sure it's not her compressor or her fan. This is causing a noise.
That's the ground wire in order for the condenser coil to hook up to the motor. So this is what we need right here. If your fridge is ever making a noise, then it's telling the compressor fire switch again earlier, but it's not going to do this bad boy.
Alright. The old motor. I'm gonna swap this out for a refrigerator that we don't barely use. See what this will do. Alright, so that's how you replace a fan. We're gonna kick it on and see if it works. And no more weird noises.